Hey there, science fans. Let's talk about electricity. That amazing force that powers our homes. Electricity flows through a path called a circuit. Think of it like a highway for tiny particles called electrons. These electrons carry energy from your power source, like a power plant, all the way to your appliances. Just like a highway needs clear lanes, an electrical circuit needs wires to carry the current. And just as too many cars on a highway cause a traffic jam, too much electricity in a circuit can lead to trouble. That's where outlets come in. They're like convenient off-ramps on the electrical highway, letting you plug in your devices and tap into the flow of electricity. But just like those off-ramps, outlets have a limit to how much traffic they can handle. We overload an outlet when we plug in too many devices, demanding more electricity than it can handle. It's like trying to fit a whole parade of elephants through a doorway designed for a single file line. This happens a lot with power strips and extension cords. While convenient, they don't increase the outlet's capacity. Plugging in multiple high-wattage appliances like space heaters, hair dryers and toasters at the same time is a surefire way to overload an outlet. Another culprit is faulty wiring. Old, damaged or incorrectly installed wiring can't handle the electrical load, increasing the risk of overload and even fire. Remember folks, electricity is powerful stuff and we need to treat it with respect. Now, how can you tell if an outlet is overloaded? One clear sign is heat. If an outlet or its cover feels warm to the touch, that's a red flag. It means the electrical components are working too hard and generating excess heat, which could melt insulation and spark a fire. Another warning sign is a burning smell. If you smell something like burning plastic coming from an outlet, unplug everything immediately and call an electrician. This smell could indicate that the wiring insulation is overheating and nearing its breaking point. Other signs include flickering lights, dimming lights when appliances are turned on, buzzing or crackling sounds from the outlet, or even mild electrical shocks when you touch an appliance plugged into the outlet. These are not normal occurrences and should never be ignored. The good news is preventing overloaded outlets is largely common sense. First, be mindful of how much you're plugging in. Don't treat power strips as an excuse to plug in every device you own. Spread out your high-wattage appliances, using different outlets in different rooms if possible. Second, get to know your appliance's wattage. This information is usually printed on a label near the plug. The higher the wattage, the more electricity the appliance uses. Avoid using multiple high-wattage appliances on the same circuit simultaneously. Finally, if you experience frequent problems with overloaded outlets or notice any of the danger signs, don't hesitate to call a qualified electrician. They can inspect your wiring, identify potential hazards, and recommend solutions to keep your home safe and your circuits flowing smoothly. Remember, when it comes to electricity, it's better to be safe than sorry.